Hello and welcome to Sonia's cookbook. Today we are making Paneer Makhni or Butter Paneer. So let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, 2 bay leaves, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 green cardamom and 3 cloves, and saute on low flame till aromatic. Now add ½ inch ginger chopped, 4 to 5 garlic cloves chopped, and saute them till they turn soft. Add 2 small onions chopped and fry them till soft and translucent. Add 16 to 17 cashew nuts, 3 medium tomatoes chopped, and saute them for a few minutes. Steam for 5 minutes. Remove the whole spices, that is cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves and cardamom. Cool and grind the onion tomato mixture to a fine paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter along with 1 teaspoon of paprika or Kashmiri red chili powder and saute it on low flame. Add the ground puree and stir well. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder and ½ teaspoon of garam masala powder and stir well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of table salt, ½ teaspoon crushed kasoori methi, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and mix well. Add 300 grams of sliced paneer and gently mix it. Simmer on medium heat for few minutes. Add ¼ cup of hot water if required. Add little kasoori methi and some little fresh cream and serve it with rice, naan or roti. If you've liked watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.